So let's start out by talking about liquid adhesives. Liquid adhesives are very, very common inside of the hair system world. Lots of people use liquid adhesives, and they do for many reasons. Liquid adhesives can give some of the best results possible when it comes to the aesthetic and the overall realness of your hair system. They blend in extremely well with your natural scalp, and if you have a hair system like a Swiss lace or a ultra thin skin unit, it can almost be imperceptible. Even at a close examination that you are wearing a hair system, it can look exactly like it is your scalp because it can blend in so well with the liquid adhesive. On top of that, people who do use liquid adhesives generally do a full scalp bond, meaning that you have a lot of support with your adhesive to keep the hair system on your head, and it doesn't move around generally, which can be a very nice feeling. It can feel like it's very, very integrated into your scalp. Now, some of the cons when it comes to a liquid adhesive is that it's generally considered not as easy to clean up and to maintain and to install as a tape adhesive is. So it is a little bit more of a expertise thing that you have to learn how to use the liquid adhesive. And if it's giving you some trouble, you may want to try a tape. On top of this, generally speaking, a liquid adhesive, in my experience, they don't tend to stand up as well as a whole category to hot, humid environments where you're sweating a lot. If you do sweat a lot with them, eventually there's the potential that the liquid adhesive can leak. It can actually liquefy, right? Because ultimately these glues, these adhesives have chemical properties. They are first liquid, but once applied, they solidify, they bond your hair system to your head. However, under high heat, which generally speaking, as things get hotter, they tend to move from a solid state into a liquid state. Adhesives can do the same exact thing, and they can go from having that strong bond to actually weakening and then having a little bit of leak of that adhesive, which is an interesting experience the first time it happens. But if you do not live in a very hot part of the world, or you're not getting very sweaty because of you don't live an active life, exercising a lot, things like this, a liquid adhesive can be a great option for you. Now, that being said, there's really 3 different types of main adhesives that you're gonna find. You're gonna find a water-based adhesive, you'll find the silicone-based adhesive, and then you'll find acrylic-based adhesives. Water-based adhesives are generally the kindest to your skin. They're very, very gentle. And on top of this, they perform well in cold weather environments that are a little bit drier. Water-based adhesives also tend to have the shortest duration of bond time, coming out sometimes around a week to 2 weeks long. A silicone-based adhesive is really kind of an all-around use case adhesive. You can use it in cold or warm weather or kind of medium temperature weather. They have generally medium term bond durations, which is a great thing if you're looking to reapply your hair system more often, which isn't always a bad thing. Something to think about when considering how long you are bonding a hair system to your scalp is, of course, cleanliness. If you are going for a very, very long period of time, there is a chance for bacteria and other things to build up inside of your hair system adhesive. So do consider that. Of course, the best performing bonds for hot weather and generally the longest duration liquid adhesives that there are acrylic adhesives. Generally speaking, these adhesives are the harshest on the skin, although they are all cleared and are medical grade adhesives that are fit for human use. So that being said, there's no real danger to using them. However, they can be a little bit harsher on the skin, and if you have sensitive skin, it can be something that you may want to consider and go for either a water-based or silicone-based adhesives. But acrylic adhesives hold up very, very well.